Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Gmail from Android and revoke Google permissions. Full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Gmail from your Android device, start by locating the Settings app on your home screen or in the app drawer. Tap on the Settings icon to open the menu. Scroll down and find the Apps or Application Manager option. Select the Apps option to view all installed applications on your device. In the list of apps, scroll down and find Gmail. Tap on Gmail to access the app settings. On the app information page, look for the Uninstall button. Tap Uninstall to initiate the removal process. Confirm any prompts that appear, acknowledging that you want to remove the app. Once uninstalled, return to the home screen. Now, to revoke Google permissions, go back to the Settings app. Scroll to find and select Google. Tap on Google to open the Google settings. Next, look for the Account Services option. Tap on Account Services, then find and select Permissions. In this section, you will see a list of apps that have permissions to access your Google account. Find the app that you want to revoke access from. Tap on the app to view its permissions. Select the option to revoke or remove permissions. Confirm the action when prompted to ensure the changes take effect. After revoking permissions, exit the settings. Your Gmail app is now uninstalled, and unnecessary Google permissions have been revoked. You have successfully completed the process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.